Kathy with CoastalScents.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make bath bomb fizzies. For those of you who do not know what a bath bomb fizzy is, we're going to show you. It begins a fizzing action when it meets with water. It's also softening to the skin, emollient, and a lot of fun. Here's what happens when it hits the water. Today's theme for our bath bomb fizzies is going to be all about Valentine's and something you can do very easily with the kids. I've gone ahead and measured out my baking soda, which is 1 cup, citric acid, which causes the fizzing, 3/4 cup, and 2 tablespoons of white kaolin clay in my bowl. For my gloves, I prefer and I recommend using non-latex. I use nitrile. With all the people who are allergic to latex, if you're blending these and using your hands, you really want to think twice about using nitrile. In my cup, I've placed 1 tablespoon grapeseed oil, 2 teaspoons of polysorbate 80, you can also use jojoba oil, and a little bit of vitamin E. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients to this cup that's going to go into the bowl. For this batch, I'm going to make purple bath bomb fizzies, and I use the Wilton colorant cake gels. You can get those on our website. To the oil, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon. Along with our oils, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of borax. This can be found at your local grocers and the laundry detergent aisle. This acts as an emulsifier and helps to combine the oils and the colorants together. Okay, our fragrance is going to be lavender with our purple fizzies. 1 teaspoon is more than enough. You have to be careful not to put too much liquid. Now we're going to mix this together well. As you can see, as I'm stirring, the colorant is dispersing evenly into all of the oils. Once this is done, simply pour this right into your powders. Next, I'm going to push some of my powders over to cover this coloring, and then start mixing quickly in a circular motion. You can see as the color starts dispersing and the powders are blending together. This does take a little bit of pushing. Once I get it looking this way, I take both my hands and I just start squishing and squishing. This motion is going to evenly moisten all the powders and spread your coloring around. You'll need to have on hand a fine mist sprayer. This contains rubbing alcohol. This is what you're going to use at the end once you've blended all your colorants into your powder. Simply do 1, 2, 3 squirts and mix well, and you're going to do this 4 times. Now that we have everything mixed in well, I want to show you the texture. It's like damp sand. If you pick up your powder and you squeeze it gently and it holds together, this is exactly what you're looking for. Not too wet, not too dry. The molds we use to make round bath fizzies are a 2-part plastic craft mold. These are slightly flexible, allowing for you to remove and release your powders. You're going to pack each side very tightly and firmly. We're doing a Valentine's theme. So today we're going to take some candy hearts and place it print side down in the bottom of your mold. You're going to take your powder, pack it into the mold, and push real tight. Take the other half, fill that half, push very tightly. Now here's the important part when forming a ball. You want to overpack the mold. Place the other half on top. You're not going to twist. You want to push, slide, and then squeeze very tightly. Go around the edge, remove the excess powder, give it another squeeze. A flexible mold, you slightly pinch, and it removes. Take that off. Gently turn it over, slightly pinch, and remove. A round bath bomb fizzy. Another great idea for your fizzy powders, especially at the end, you may not have enough to complete another full circle mold. Some Dead Sea salt. Take your extra powder, zip it up, and mix it up. Once done, these will dry in less than 24 hours. They can be packaged, bagged, and these become a beautiful fizzing salt tub bath. Get creative with your packaging. Ribbons, tissue paper, takeout boxes, shrink wrap, everything's possible. Make it fun, and if you need any help, you know where to find us. www.coastalscents.com.